Let's create beautiful pagination using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. We can implement pagination for all layouts. For example, I have created general layouts. Create style, set a layout's name and save. Successfully create our layout. Go to Product Query. For example, I set 8 product per page. That will be show in a page. To set pagination, go to Advanced Settings, select Pagination from drop-down menu in Pagination Options. Successfully set pagination in our layouts. If we want to add design and customization, there are more options like Preset. We can also change the font style to any desired option. Can change alignment, width, height. Now we set normal, hover and active color. For example, I am creating my own design. At first, change the color. Go to hover and set a background color. Set active background color. That show which page is active. We can also set border, box shadow, border radius, border margin. Now we change previous and next button icon. Now it looks good. You can customize for your choice, save the layouts. We can use the shortcode anywhere, but I use the shortcode publish the layout in a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to dashboard and create a new page. Set a title. Paste the shortcode. Publish and view page. This is our stunning and excellent pagination design. Thanks for watching the video.